Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One Two Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can delete your account in Flow. So guys, to delete your account, you just need to go ahead and open Flow first. And once you're in this page, all you need to do is just look at the top left corner with an avatar on it and tap there, and now you'll see many options like report for a doctor, graphs and reports, cycle and ovulation, app settings, privacy settings, access code, reminders, help, and about Flow. So guys, we just need to go ahead and tap on privacy settings. Now you'll see more options like Flow privacy explained, request information, change account details, manage your consents, and finally delete my account. So guys, there you go. Now to delete your account, all you need to do is just tap on there, and now you can see the option right there in the middle that says delete my account. So there's also a description that says that your deletion will be processed in accordance with our privacy policy. So this action can't be undone. So guys, this is very permanent. Once you delete your account, you've completely erased all of your data. So guys, there you go. That's how you delete your account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.